Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out an Instagram video and Reels downloader PHP script and inside browser using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So actually this is a full directory structure of the PHP project. It's a single page application. These are all the files which are required. If you're interested in this project, you can directly purchase the source code. The link is given in the description. So after you purchase it, you will automatically get redirected to Google Drive where you will get all the files. So we are running this project locally here using exam control panel, and it's really easy for you to deploy this as well. So this is the address here. This is the frontend.html file here. So this is the user interface. So right here in this URL section, you will paste whatever video reel you want to download. So you simply copy the address. So it's Instagram reel right here, and you paste the address, click download video. So now the actual request will happen in the we are processing it, and once it reaches 100%, your video will get downloaded. So you will see automatically you can now play this video. It's automatically saved inside you can see that. So it's automatically downloaded, and you can do this unlimited number of times. There is no limit to it because we are simply fetching the download links once you submit the URL. So again, you copy the link address. Let me try it with a different one. Click download. Again, this processing message will happen, and it will just take 5 to 10 seconds for fetching the links. And you will see that again it downloads as a MP4 video file, so which you can play. So it will save you a lot of time if you're looking forward for building an Instagram video and Reels downloader application in PHP. This will be a good starting point, and you will also be getting to know how I coded this. So we are not using any sort of API key. It's totally free method that I used to actually build it from scratch. So it's perfectly working as you can see right here. Let me take another reel or video for example. So you can just see here there is no limit. You can do this unlimited number of times. So you simply paste the link, and after that automatically the video will get downloaded. So it's entirely built inside PHP, and it's also very easy for you to deploy this. If you have a custom domain or any sort of shared hosting, you can easily deploy all these files. Simply upload all these files, and this is the frontend.html file. So this is the user interface file. So where the you will actually see this user interface where the user will submit the link. So as they submit the link here, the processing will happen. Under the hood, we are actually calling the Instagram API to actually fetch these download links and automatically download the video file. So you can see this is the frontend.html file here. So it's actually calling this index.php file here. You can see as soon as the user submits, we are calling this index.php file here. This is the main file for the processing of this video. You can see that. So it's almost 700 lines of code. So I written this line by line. So it will save you a lot of time because if you're looking forward for a perfect method, so this is the script, and these are again some of the files here which are there. So this is a complete project step by step. You can even customize this and add additional features as well. So if you still face any problem in deployment or running the project, you can email me after the payment. I will definitely help you. But essentially, this is the Instagram Reels and Downloader project in PHP. And if you are interested in this, you can safely purchase this project. You can see that. So